Hello, welcome to the video channel. My name is Vikas, and today we'll discuss how to warm up an SMTP server using the MailWizz warm-up plan. In the new version of MailWizz, there's a warm-up plan where you can create a schedule. This schedule allows you to configure settings for any SMTP server. By setting up this schedule, you can configure an SMTP server so that emails are sent automatically according to the predefined warm-up plan. The plan will manage email sending with incremental limits you set, controlling the number of emails sent per hour or per day. Your emails will be sent daily from the same server without manually creating daily campaigns. No more manually adjusting from 200 to 400 emails. Now, you can automatically create a warm-up plan without manual intervention. You'll need to add this plan to your delivery server or SMTP server. If you missed my previous video on MailWizz installation, I recommend watching it. I previously demonstrated how to install MailWizz on AWS, so I recommend checking out that tutorial as well. I'm currently in the admin panel. Navigate to the server section and then to the warm-up plan area. First, give your plan a name. In this example, I'll name it my plan and set the initial sending count to 5. Set your total target to 5,000 and choose the sending quota type as daily. MailWizz offers two sending strategies. The linear strategy means email volume increases in a consistent, straight line without sudden jumps. With the linear strategy, the email volume remains relatively constant, without significant day-to-day variations. The second strategy increases email volume incrementally each day, with a progressive growth rate. I'll select a 5% increment and save the changes. After saving, the warm-up plan is created with a linear progression over 5 days. The linear strategy maintains a consistent increase without sudden changes. You can also select alternative strategies based on your requirements. You'll notice differences between strategies, so create a plan that best suits your specific needs and set appropriate limits. Set your target and save changes. If the results aren't satisfactory, you can create a new plan. Mark your preferred plan as active. Sometimes the values might appear similar, in which case you'll want to create a new plan. The active plan will be displayed prominently, making it easy to identify. If you have multiple SMTP servers, you can add the warm-up plan to specific servers. Go to Server Settings, click Update, and scroll down to the Warm-up Plan section. Select the warm-up plan you created, in this case, My Plan. Once selected, the plan details will appear in the drop-down. Save the changes, and the SMTP server will now follow the warm-up plan limits for all campaigns. You can also configure the time interval between email sends. Intervals are set in microseconds. For example, setting 1 million means the next email will be sent after approximately 5 minutes. Convert microseconds to minutes as needed and save your channel settings. These SMTP settings will be applied across the platforms where you install MailWizz. You can create warm-up plans for multiple SMTP servers. I recommend watching my previous videos on this topic for more insights. If you're interested in automatic SMTP or Gmail configuration, check out my previous tutorial videos. I've also created videos on IP warm-up strategies. Visit my website for additional tools and resources. On the website, you can access the IP warm-up tool and create custom strategies specifying volume and duration. That covers today's tutorial. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.